Today, we're gonna make a really easy homemade hand sanitizer. Now to make this, you're only gonna need a few ingredients. The first is witch hazel. So I just picked this up at Whole Foods, but you can find it in most drugstores or Target or other home stores like that. You're also gonna need some vegetable glycerin. And vegetable glycerin is actually gonna help distribute the essential oils we're gonna add with the witch hazel. So the power of this hand sanitizer is going to come from the essential oils we're using in this recipe. So today we're using essential oils that are antiviral, antiseptic, antibacterial. And that's going to be tea tree essential oil, which so many people now have in their homes, as well as some spruce essential oil, which is a little more rare, maybe not so common, one that you haven't picked up before, as well as lemon essential oil, which lemon and tea tree essential oil you're going to find in Whole Foods, or you can order on Amazon. My favorite brand is Plant Therapy or Aurora Acacia. And the spruce essential oil is one you're definitely going to have to order, and I recommend ordering through Plant Therapy, which is one of my favorite essential oil companies. Not affiliated, just really love them and the education they bring to the world of essential oils. Okay, to start, I find it easiest to actually use a little funnel. So I'm gonna rig this little funnel onto my jar, and I am using a 2-ounce glass spray bottle. I picked this up from Whole Foods. You can find these on Amazon as well. And I'm going to add half a teaspoon of my vegetable glycerin. And this vegetable glycerin is just gonna help incorporate the essential oils into the witch hazel, which you're gonna be adding in a little while. So let me pour this in. Next, I'm going to add all of our essential oils. So I am going to start with tea tree essential oil. I'm going to actually remove my funnel here to make it sure that I get all of the drops in. And I'm going to add 20 drops of tea tree essential oil to this bottle. 20, there we go. Next, I'm going to add 10 drops of our spruce essential oil. And finally, I'm going to add 6 drops of the lemon essential oil. Okay, now that all of my essential oils are incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and add my witch hazel. Now I'm just going to pour in my witch hazel, and my hand sanitizer will be ready to go. Okay. So now my hand sanitizer is made. I'm just going to put the cap on, give it a good shake, and now to use it, I'm just going to spray it on my hands. The great thing about this hand sanitizer is not going to be sticky like traditional hand sanitizers, and it's not going to contain any toxic ingredients that are going to be worrisome. So this ingredient is actually safe for the entire family. It's using essential oils that are kid safe. So of course, be cautious, use your own judgment, do your own research when it comes to making any type of product. But this is a product that I feel comfortable using around my entire family because of the essential oils and the ingredients used. Okay, let me go add this to my purse. Now I have a hand sanitizer that I can take with me, spray on my hands, my family's hands, anytime we need some quick hand cleansing when we don't have soap and water around.